Jennifer Aniston has been turning heads in the entertainment industry ever since she made her debut as Rachel Green in the highly praised TV show Friends. There's no denying how popular this comedy show is, which can be attributed in large part to the well-rounded and easy-to-recognize characters who acted in it. Jennifer Aniston is known for turning the fame and attention she got from playing Rachel into decades of money-making projects. This is seen as the start of her very successful career. She stayed a fan choice and keeps adding a huge amount of money to her already huge fortune every year. Now her net worth is believed to be over $300 million, and it's clear that she's enjoying the benefits of her wealth. Insiders say that Jennifer Aniston is very careful about how she spends the money she makes. Here's how she spends her wealth. The Bentley Continental GT. Because Aniston was so famous while she was on Friends, she was able to start spending her money almost right away, and she had a lot of it. She's known to have a strong appreciation for luxury cars, and she usually chooses machines that give an air of sophistication over the brightly colored cars that celebrities like to drive. Jennifer Aniston owns a beautiful Bentley Continental GT that, before any changes were made, cost her well over $300,000. Her sleek Range Rover. Reports say that Jennifer Aniston's been seen driving around Hollywood in a Range Rover, which is one of the cars she's said to love the most. We don't know what kind of car it is or what year it was made, but it's hard to miss a big fat black car with Range Rover written all over it in big fat letters. We also don't know how much the Golden Globe winning actress paid for the car, but a Range Rover usually costs at least $88,860. Rolex Day-Date Gold Watch. Jennifer Aniston loves adding accessories to her outfits, and she knows how important it is to have a high-quality watch. She's often seen wearing a Rolex Day-Date Gold Watch, which is thought to be worth about $34,000 on the market. When the buy was made, which was a long time ago, that was true. This watch is definitely one of a kind. It's also an expensive item, but it could be thought of as an investment. The worth of this watch really goes up every year because it's so well made and there aren't many of them around. Weekly hair sessions. It's no secret that Jennifer Aniston is known for her amazing looks, but her beautiful hair is even more famous. In fact, her now iconic haircut, which first appeared on an episode of Friends, was called the Rachel almost right away. Jennifer has kept a close relationship with her hairdresser, Chris McMillan, who's also her friend, so that her hair stays shiny and free-flowing. She goes to him once a week to take care of her hair, which costs her a whopping $920 each time. Having a beautiful look can cost a lot of money. Private massages. Jennifer Aniston loves giving herself massages as a way to treat herself. She does it on her own terms, just like she does everything else in her life. This helps her relax and keeps her healthy at the same time. Aniston doesn't like going out of her way to get massages. She'd rather have the doctor come to her house. She pays a personal masseuse thousands of dollars a month to come to her house so she can get massage treatments in the privacy and comfort of her own home. Her real estate portfolio. Jennifer's real estate holdings are amazing because of how many and how well kept they are. Her big flat in New York City, which she bought a few years ago, is in Gramercy Park. She lives on the 9th floor of the building, which has a total area of 2,873 square feet and cost her $8.7 million to buy. This gives her the same amount of privacy and safety she would have in a house, plus the comforts of a 5-star hotel. Aniston also owns a beautiful 2-bedroom condo on Bird Street in the Hollywood Hills, which is her other piece of land. The unit's worth nearly $1 million. She owns several different pieces of property, including a home in Bel Air. This mansion is more than 8,500 square feet and has 4 beds and 6.5 bathrooms. Her garden landscaping around the pool is like an outdoor sanctuary, and her 2 acres of land are so well placed that they give her views of both the city and the ocean. Her land is a beautiful place to be outside. The home is very expensive and grand, and it has huge decks with amazing views. It's the perfect place for a famous person who deserves everything she's getting. Buying an adjacent property to Courtney Cox. It's hard to believe that Jennifer Aniston and Courtney Cox have been close friends for as long as they have, but they have been since their show Friends started airing in the 1990s. Now, in a strange way that shows how art imitates life, it's almost impossible to tell one from the other. There might be more to it than meets the eye. The two friends hang out together so much that it's almost like they're joined at the hip. Even though they're not connected literally, they're still very close. Jennifer Aniston bought a $5 million house for herself in 2006. It was 3 doors down from the house where Courtney Cox lived. Producing movies. If you want to work in films, you'll find that it's not easy to get started. The producers have to put a lot of money into the project and cross their fingers that the pre-production, production, and post-production stages go easily. When it comes to engaging in films, Aniston is brave enough to take the risks that come with it. Cake, Dumplin', The Yellowbirds, The Switch, and Life of Crime are just a few of the films that Jennifer Aniston has both acted in and helped make. Most of the money that Aniston has spent has gone toward making these films. Echo Films was the name of the company she helped start in 2008 to make independent films. A brand new Porsche for her then future husband. In 2012, when Jennifer Aniston and Justin Theroux were just getting to know each other, the Daily Mail Online said that the actress had given her boyfriend the keys to a brand new Porsche Panamera that she'd bought for him as a gift. She wanted to give her future husband the keys to a 2013 car, which at the time would have only cost around $100,000. Considering all of the other options for the Panamera S-top roof, however, the price of the car could easily have gone up to around $138,000 if Aniston had chosen to buy it with all of these extras. How much did Jennifer Aniston make from Friends? In 1994, Aniston was offered 2 jobs, one as a player on Saturday Night Live and the other as the part of a lifetime on Friends. It's safe to say that Aniston made a great choice when she chose Rachel based on what she had to offer. During the first season of the show, each member of the group, including Aniston, reportedly made $22,500 per episode. With more attention in the past seasons, in Season 6 the group got raises of up to $125,000 per episode, which added up to $3.125 million. In Seasons 7 and 8, their raises skyrocketed to $750,000 per episode. Season 6 was the show's first season. During the 9th and 10th seasons of the show, Aniston and her co-stars Courtney Cox and Lisa Kudrow were the highest paid women on TV. They each made $1 million per episode for a total of $41 million. Even though the last Friends show aired in 2004, the money keeps coming in. Reports say that each member of the group makes about $20 million in residuals, and Variety said that each member of the Friends cast will get $2.5 million for their reunion show that will air on HBO Max. Now they make even more with Netflix showcasting. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.